Gunther again wraps it in. There's no quite left hold. Jay has nothing left in him, and it doesn't appear. Trying to somehow slip out of this sleeper by Gunther. Jey Uso's out. Jey Uso is out, I believe. He is out. Gunther becomes the new world champion.
And because of you guys, I'm going into WrestleMania for the main